Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to sign up to be a transcriptionist for GoTranscript.com. Before we start with the application, this is my freelancing journey. I've been transcribing and captioning for 7 years for companies like Rev, 3Play Media, GoTranscript, and Verbit. Also I engage myself on other freelancing gigs, which I'll talk about in another video. Through those years I have gained an edge of how the transcription and captioning industry work, most importantly on the application side. Being a transcriber or captioner for those companies means a lot since they offer good payments and bonuses which will help you earn a living and enhance your transcription and captioning skills. If you're new to this channel or you've stumbled upon this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment down below because it helps in spreading this valuable information to those seeking to be financially free. If you would love to expand your career on transcription and captioning jobs, plus other freelance gigs, join my Telegram group. Check the link on the video description below. Cheers! So, let's start applying. First of all we are at GoTranscript.com, and what I want you to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. Once you're at the bottom, then you're going to select Join as a transcriber. After right-click Apply and select the language which best suit your understanding. For me, I'll choose the English language because English is my native language, as you can tell through my accent. Okay, next use your personal or used email to sign up because transcription and captioning companies usually review the email to see if you're a bot or human, to kind of increase your chances of you being approved. So I'm gonna walk you through this process of signing in my Thanks for watching Sign Up tutorial. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment down below. I usually upload every day, so join my Telegram channel for future notifications. Link can be found below this video. Bye!